Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel FoodyMomm. I hope all of you are doing good. So friends, today's recipe is very special one. It is very healthy and the name of the recipe is oil-free chicken, in which I am cooking chicken pieces. I have taken chicken wings since only chicken wings were available at my home. You can use any chicken pieces that you want. Healthy will be chicken breast because it is one of the healthiest chicken piece that is available when you are trying to lose weight or you want to eat healthy. So these are clean and boiled half kg of chicken wings, and I've made fresh paste of 1 inch ginger and 8 to 10 pods of garlic. I have taken 1 heaped tablespoon of curd, and this is 1 whole lemon I have squeezed in. And I have taken 3 green chilies. You can use 1 or 2 also. I like it to be a bit chili. Half teaspoon of black pepper and salt to taste. I am using pink Himalayan salt. You can use any cooking salt that you like. Now I've taken a pot in which I'll be dropping everything, and I'll be using the same pot for cooking as well. I'm using Greek yogurt. You can use any thick yogurt or curd that you have. This dish will be a bit on a tangy side because I am using 1 whole lemon. Mixing everything really well, dropping in ginger garlic paste. Once everything is mixed, we'll keep them in a cooler place for about 2 hours. You can keep it for half an hour also. Mixing everything well, and I have turned on the flame and I'm cooking it on high flame. Mixing everything well again and again so that the masala doesn't get burnt. Once the gravy is left little, like once it's 50% done, then you will cover it with lid and you will cook it for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes I am opening the lid and you can see the masala is dried now. Now we'll cook it for another 5 to 7 minutes, stirring continuously, and make sure your chicken is cooked well. Now here you go, the yummy chicken is ready. It's oil free, not even a single drop of oil has been used. So I really wish that you like this recipe. If you do not forget to subscribe my channel, leave a comment and hit like to this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.